Good afternoon. I'm Gabrielle Pfeiffer with Military Times. Women's hair can sometimes be a hassle, but the new guidelines authorized by Navy officials will expand hairstyle options for women. This will make it easier and more inclusive for women with different hair types. Free hanging ponytails, a single braid, and a French braid can finally be worn outside of physical training. They're acceptable to wear in service, working, and in PT uniforms as long as the accessories can't be seen and are the same color as the hair. However, the hair must be worn above the bottom of the collar when working in hazardous safety environments. Hair buns can now get a little wider from the previous 3-inch rule that was in place. The width of a bun can now be up to the same width as the back of the sailor's head. The approval of dreadlock hairstyles is a big change, especially for African American women with natural hair. Previously, they were forced to cut their hair or wear a wig. The locks can now be worn in a bun or short, medium, or long hair lengths, just as long as the hair forms straight lines and includes neat parts that are square or rectangular shape. New hair growth cannot exceed more than ½ inch, and the locks must surround the whole head. When the locks are worn loosely, they can't be no more than 3/8 of an inch apart and no wider than 3/8 of an inch. And women now have permission to let their hair down in their dinner dress uniforms. Hairstyles still have to be neat though, and they can't interfere with protective masks or equipment, though a commanding officer has the final say on whether the hairstyles meet professional and appropriate standards. These rules have not been extended to the United States Naval Academy. For more on this story, visit militarytimes.com.